The power of nature's remedies lies in the truth that the human body was designed to work in harmony with the natural world. Every system, every organ, and every cell responds instinctively to the nourishment found in plants, herbs, and oils that come directly from the earth. For centuries, people have used natural remedies to strengthen their hair, rejuvenate their skin, and restore balance within their bodies. Long before chemical treatments and synthetic products were ever created, nature provided everything we needed for healing and vitality. When it comes to hair growth, the same principle applies. The scalp, rich in blood vessels and nerve endings, thrives on the nutrients that only natural ingredients can offer. These ingredients not only feed the hair follicles, but also purify and protect the scalp environment, creating the perfect condition for new growth to begin. The beauty of natural remedies is that they work with the body's wisdom instead of overpowering it. Synthetic formulas often promise quick results, but they disrupt the delicate balance of oils and moisture that the scalp needs to remain healthy. Nature's remedies, on the other hand, restore that balance gently, encouraging the body's own regenerative processes to awaken from within. When pure oils, such as coconut, castor, rosemary, or amla, are massaged into the scalp, they penetrate deep into the skin, increasing blood flow and delivering vital nutrients directly to the hair roots. This nourishment allows the follicles to awaken and begin producing stronger, thicker strands. It's not magic, it's biology in its most natural form, activated through touch and time. Nature's remedies also bring energy to the scalp through their living essence. Unlike lifeless chemicals, plant-based ingredients carry enzymes, antioxidants, and essential fatty acids that breathe life into the cells they touch. When these natural compounds meet the scalp, they spark a gentle detoxification process, clearing away buildup and toxins that may have been suffocating the follicles. This purification allows oxygen and nutrients to flow freely once more, creating an environment where hair can truly thrive. The soothing aroma and texture of these natural oils also calm the nervous system, reducing stress. Major factor in hair loss. The very act of massaging these remedies into the scalp strengthens the bond between body and nature, reminding us that healing is not about force but flow. Every drop of oil, every gentle circular motion, becomes a message to the body: awaken, restore, renew. And as the body listens, it responds with quiet power, transforming fragile roots into resilient strands that reflect the vitality within. Real hair growth begins when we address the root causes rather than chasing temporary fixes that only touch the surface. Most people search endlessly for products that promise instant results, yet they rarely stop to consider why their hair is thinning or failing to grow in the first place. True restoration cannot come from the outside alone. It must start from within. The scalp is an extension of the body, and its health reflects the state of our overall system. Poor blood circulation, nutritional deficiencies, hormonal imbalances, and stress can all weaken the follicles, making it difficult for new hair to emerge. When we focus only on covering up the problem with chemical treatments, we silence the body's signals instead of understanding them. The key is to look deeper, to nurture the foundation rather than painting over the cracks. Healthy hair begins with a healthy scalp, and a healthy scalp depends on proper nourishment and blood flow. Each hair strand is fed by a tiny blood vessel that delivers oxygen and nutrients directly to the follicle. When circulation slows due to stress, poor diet, or lack of movement, those vital nutrients fail to reach their destination. Over time, the follicles become undernourished, weak, and dormant. This is why stimulating the scalp, through massage, natural oils, and herbal infusions, can be so powerful. It reawakens the flow of life beneath the surface, reminding the body to repair and regenerate. Alongside this external care, internal nourishment plays an equally important role. Consuming foods rich in vitamins, minerals, and proteins, such as leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and healthy fats, fuels the body's ability to grow strong, resilient hair. It's a reminder that what we place on our scalp must be supported by what we place within our bodies. When we treat the root cause, we work with the body instead of against it. Stress, for instance, is one of the most overlooked causes of hair loss. It constricts blood vessels, disrupts hormones, and drains the nutrients necessary for hair growth. Learning to calm the mind through relaxation, deep breathing, or prayer helps release this internal tension, allowing energy and circulation to return to the scalp naturally. Likewise, avoiding harsh chemicals, synthetic fragrances, and sulfates allows the scalp to breathe again. The goal is not to chase a miracle product, but to restore harmony between body, mind, and nature. Once this balance is re-established, the body's natural rhythm begins to heal what was once weak, and the hair, like the rest of the body, responds with renewed strength and vitality. Nighttime is the body's sacred window for repair and renewal, a period when the systems slow down, stress fades, and healing begins at the cellular level. As the world sleeps, the body becomes deeply active beneath the surface, repairing tissues, balancing hormones, and regenerating cells that have been worn down through the day. This is why applying a nourishing blend to the scalp before bed is so effective. It aligns perfectly with the body's natural rhythm of restoration. During the day, the scalp is exposed to environmental stressors like dust, pollution, and sunlight that can clog pores and weaken hair follicles. But at night, when the body enters its healing mode, the skin becomes more permeable, the blood vessels dilate, and the absorption of nutrients increases. This means the oils or herbal infusions you apply can penetrate deeper, feeding the follicles exactly when they are most receptive. As the body rests, circulation improves naturally and oxygen flows more freely to the scalp. When a natural mixture rich in vitamins, fatty acids, and plant compounds is massaged in before sleep, it stimulates the tiny capillaries beneath the surface, amplifying this circulation even further. This gentle stimulation not only nourishes existing follicles, but can also awaken those that have become dormant. The warmth generated through this nighttime ritual soothes the scalp, relaxes tension, and releases the blockages that may be restricting growth. This is why people often wake up to find their scalp feeling lighter, fresher, and more alive. It's a sign that the body has been at work, repairing and rejuvenating in silence. Another reason nighttime treatments are so effective is that they allow the scalp to remain undisturbed for several hours. Unlike during the day, when washing, styling, or exposure to air and light can interfere with absorption, the nighttime provides stillness. The ingredients have time to work deeply, nourishing not just the surface, but the roots themselves. It's as if the scalp takes a deep breath during those hours of darkness, drinking in the nutrients it needs to thrive. This quiet period of absorption and repair also helps calm the nervous system, as the soothing aroma of natural oils can ease the mind and promote deeper sleep, which is itself essential for growth and balance. Each night becomes an act of healing, a partnership between your body's wisdom and the gifts of nature. And when this process is repeated consistently, the results can feel almost miraculous, as new life begins to stir beneath the surface, ready to emerge with renewed vitality and strength. The human body holds a remarkable intelligence that operates far beyond conscious control. Every cell, every organ, and every follicle is constantly communicating, responding, and adapting to the signals it receives from its environment. The scalp, though often overlooked, is a living network of microscopic life. Each follicle is like a small factory, capable of producing hair with strength and vitality when it receives the right message of nourishment and care. This hidden intelligence knows how to heal, how to regenerate, and how to bring dormant areas back to life when given the right conditions. The problem is that in today's world, we often drown out these natural signals with chemical products, stress, and unhealthy habits that confuse or suppress the body's ability to respond. Yet, when we return to natural rhythms and give the scalp the pure elements it craves, oils, herbs, minerals, and gentle touch, it begins to awaken as if remembering what it was designed to do all along. When a nutrient-rich oil or herbal blend is massaged into the scalp, it sends a cascade of signals to the nervous and circulatory systems. The nerve endings beneath the scalp respond by increasing blood flow, delivering oxygen and nutrients to each follicle. This nourishment reminds the cells that it is safe to grow, safe to repair, safe to flourish. The warmth of the hands, the rhythm of touch, and the purity of natural ingredients work together to activate this silent intelligence. It's as if the body, long neglected, begins to listen again. The follicles that once lay dormant awaken, their roots drawing in nutrients with renewed energy. This process is not forced, it is invited. Nature never demands, it encourages, and the body responds in kind. Even more fascinating is the way this intelligence connects to emotion and energy. When we care for our scalp with mindful attention, we are not just feeding it physically, we are feeding it energetically. Stress, worry, and fatigue can constrict the scalp, tightening the blood vessels and limiting flow. But when we slow down, breathe deeply, and nurture ourselves with intention, that tension melts away, allowing vitality to return. The body understands this language of care. It translates every act of gentleness, every drop of oil, into a message of renewal. What begins as a simple nightly ritual becomes a conversation with your own biology, reminding it of the harmony it was created to maintain. The result is more than just hair growth. It is the awakening of life itself within the roots of your being, a reflection of the body's timeless wisdom, working quietly to restore balance and beauty from within. There is a quiet wisdom in simplicity, a truth that the body often thrives best when we return to the most natural and uncomplicated ways of caring for ourselves. Over time, we've been led to believe that healing and growth require something complex, expensive treatments, chemical formulas, and endless routines. Yet nature reminds us that real transformation begins with the simplest acts, done consistently and with intention. The human body was designed to work with the rhythms of the natural world, not against them. When we align ourselves with those rhythms, through gentle, natural practices, we unlock a kind of healing that no artificial product can ever replicate. Applying a natural remedy to the scalp before bed may seem like a small act, but its power lies in consistency, purity, and belief. It is the reminder that nature never rushes, yet everything it creates is complete and whole. Trusting in simplicity requires faith in the body's ability to respond. Our ancestors understood this well. They used oils, herbs, and massages not because they had scientific data, but because they observed life. They saw how plants healed wounds, how oils nourished the skin, how nature restored balance without force. Today, when we return to those same principles, we reawaken that ancient wisdom within us. The act of rubbing natural oil into the scalp before sleep is not just about feeding the follicles. It is about reconnecting with nature's language of care. It's a ritual of respect, of giving the body time and space to do what it was meant to do. Each drop of oil carries the vitality of the plant it came from. Each stroke of the hand sends a message of nourishment and safety to the scalp. When these two forces, nature and intention, meet, they awaken growth at every level. What often hinders healing is not the lack of a remedy, but the lack of trust in the process. We expect immediate results, forgetting that nature works gradually, layer by layer, building strength from the inside out. Just as a tree takes time to root before it rises, the body too must repair from within before visible change appears. This is why gentle, consistent practices are so powerful. They respect the body's natural pace. The moment we stop forcing and start trusting, the body begins to heal effortlessly. By embracing simple, natural rituals and letting them become part of our nightly rhythm, we create a space for the body's intelligence to thrive once more. In that space, true restoration begins, quietly and beautifully, just as nature intended.